now they're just cleaning up this little area in the front. Like, they're gonna come mulch this later. And mulch that. But little by little. I'm here just sitting down. You know me. So I'm over here sitting down, just waiting. Unfortunately, can't take too long of a video because memory's a little low. So I'll show you the before. I'll be back when it's all flat. All right, so I just got back, and this is how it's looking now. Looking great. Yeah, I'm gonna see, get a ballpark at where I want it. So if I'm just gonna lay them out, see like front, back. I'll put the post right in the middle so it swings from the middle. Those stories don't play. What do you think like that? Should go over more? Right there? You think that's good right there? I should move it more forward. Or more back. Oh, no, I know that. This is just I wouldn't, because you can at least get your car right there before. Okay, yeah. Hanging in the road. So should I move it back up like 3 feet? Okay. All right, so you mind holding it right there for me real quick? I'm gonna turn this one around real quick. Oh, I think the phone ringing. Yeah, I'll hold it right here. If you can't go like the middle-ish. What you want me to know now? If I should go this way or that way, is good right there. Oh, you trying to put it in the center of the driveway? Ballpark center. Oh, that side is gone. That was right there, so. Looks good to me from right here. Got it? Yeah, I got him. All right. What the hell can I use? I guess I use a little bit of clay. I'm like, where? That's one. That's pink over there too. Perfect. I'm gonna grab this one from you. Yeah. Well, I'm gonna put them out the way though. Now lay this one on the opposite side. Appreciate ya. Dusty, man. Trying to take a video out the damn thing, I'm shaking like a feather.